last one for my spot sitting. Where should I sit? Oh, in the top. I can be there. There. Right here. Okay, everyone, listen up. Attention. What? Okay, so we're gonna turn into a balerina day. Let's go to an adventure. Come on. Okay, I'm so excited. Come on, Chloe, let's go. Okay, Emma. Let's go, Chloe. I am so excited. First of ours, we're first. I lifted down. Who wants to go with me? Come on, girls. What are you waiting for? We'll sit right here to wait with you. I'm gonna go with Rosie. Rosie, you're my best friend, right? Yeah, let's go. You are going with me, Bluey. We are sitting above. Okay, let's go. Pinky, let's go. Let's go, let's go. Let's go to Balerina. I'm so excited. Do you want, guys? Come on. I'm so excited. We are sitting above. Up in line, up in line. Make space for the ballerinas. I can't wait for the ballerina. First up is Pinky. Oh, I am so excited. Okay, this is space for me. I think I can go. Dun 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 Woohoo! That was so fun! Woohoo! Cool. Yeah, cool. Wow, thanks. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome, Pinky. Okay, next up is Bluey. Show up, Bluey, yourself. Here I am. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Dun 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 Cool! Wow! Amazing! Metallic. Wow! Cool. Amazing. Thank you. Pinky and Bluey are going together. Pinky and Bluey, show yourself. Dun 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 Mommy, picture this. Mommy, we're here. Yay, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. All of you are going. Come on, show yourselves. I'm waiting for my ballerina clothes. Okay, every kid go. Every kid dancing. Okay, doing the ballerina's good. Okay. First up. Wait, I have a question first. What combo do you want? Rosie and Petty? Or Curly or Pinky? Curly or Sinky? What combo do you like? Come on with me. Okay, starting. 3, 2, 1, ballerina, go! Dun 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 dun. 4 ballerinas. Come on, I can't make love. Kami pagsalahin, hindi ka na makita. Umatak na pala, sayang ang pera ko. Ipinili ng nabo sa pagkain ko. Napasag na ako sa pagkain sana. Napasag na ako. And these are the protectors. Thank you so much for them. Like and subscribe. Wow! Bye!